Hello and welcome. If you've already applied to Sol Plaatje University for the 2027 academic year, the next step is checking your application status. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to check your status using the official SPU portal, explain what the different application statuses mean, and show you what to do if you experience any problems logging in or tracking your application. Before you begin, make sure you have your SPU student number and the PIN or password you created when you submitted your application. You'll also need a device with an internet connection. If you've misplaced your login details, don't worry. Later in this video, I'll explain the steps you can take to recover your account or get assistance from the university. To check your application status, open your web browser and go to the official Sol Plaatje University application status page. The link is ienabler.spu.ac.za. Once the page opens, you'll see the login screen where you'll enter your student number and your PIN to access your application information. On the login page, type your student number into the student number field and enter your PIN in the PIN field. Double-check that both are entered correctly before selecting the login option. If your details are correct, you'll be taken into the student portal where you can view your application information and admission progress. After logging in, look for the menu that contains your application or student inquiry information. Open that section to view your current application status. This is where SPU displays updates as your application moves through the admissions process.
If your application is still being processed, don't worry if the status changes over time, as admissions decisions are released in stages.
If your status says your application has been received, it simply means the university has successfully received your application and it is waiting to be processed. At this stage, there is usually nothing you need to do except keep checking your status periodically and monitor the email address you used when you applied for any communication from SPU. If your application is marked as pending or under review, the admissions office is still evaluating your application and supporting documents. This stage may take some time, especially when the university is processing a large number of applications. Continue checking your application status regularly and make sure you read any emails from SPU, as they may request additional information if needed.